Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if for some reason you've got the situation that you've got only the battery indicator on the status bar, and if you want to see the exact percentage on the status bar just like I have, then all you have to do is to tap on the settings. And then we have to scroll to find the notifications and status bar, and then tap on status bar. And as you can see right here, we've got the battery options, so we can change the style of it. We've got the horizontal, vertical loop, or we can do not show it at all. And here we've got the percentage, so you can set it inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, or do not show. Be aware that not all of those options, so the percentage options, will be available in different battery styles. So basically just tap on the option you'd like to use, for example this one. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.